Motorola has launched the much awaited Android 10 update for the Motorola G8 Power Lite. And in this video, I'll be going through on how to download and install the update and just to check how the phone would look after the Android 10 update. So now I'm going to click on download. I'm going to be selecting Wi-Fi only. You can go for Wi-Fi and mobile data. It's your personal choice which you want to go go to. I'm going to be using Wi-Fi only. But since my phone's charge is too low, it's asking me to please plug in the charger. So I'll just be getting on with my power bank and then we'll continue with the update. So now I'm plugging in my power bank to the phone and the update is started. It's at 0% right now and it's showing 9 minutes left. So the total update size, the Android 10 size for this update is 742 MB. So let's just go through the what's new section. So it has changed the volume controls. Before, when you tap on volume controls, it will go to settings and it would just disturb your experience, and now you can go. This is one of the main feature, that is gesture navigation, which I would like to use, and that's there this time. And next there is the system wide dark mode, which would also be used by me and I think most of the people out there who are fans of dark mode. And next there are basically random stuff like easy Wi-Fi connection with QR and all such stuff. Security enhancements have also been included, and now that will include the location only while using app feature also. That was a main concern with Android 9 and now it will be fixed with this update. So 23% is done, and I'll just fast forward the video and I'll be back. So now it's at 99, it's at 100%, and now the verifying update has been started and system update is being installed in the background. Just tap on it. So again I'll fast. It took a lot of time, but you have to wait for it, and now we can restart the phone to uh, finish the update. So now the phone is restarting. It was stuck on the Motorola booting logo for a long time and I did get scared, but I just tried, and again now I'll just disconnect it from the power and let's see what happens. So yes, it has booted up, and it is doing some basic tasks. So I'll just enter my password and be back. So here I'm back. The phone is unlocked. It says finishing system updates. Let's just wait for it to finish. Now I'm going to the about phone section. I put the black just to cover the phone number and IMEI number. Here you can see it's showing the Android version 10. So this is it, guys. The Android 10 update is successfully installed. I don't know, it never activated for me. I'm doing a mistake or something. That doesn't trigger the game. So now let's just go and activate the gesture control for Android 10. Gonna go to systems, gesture, and it's on the third 3-button navigation. That's what it's done now. And Motorola has sent a message saying enjoy your update. So I'll just activate the gesture navigation. I'm quite familiar with it, using it on my Realme 5 Pro. I'm sorry for that shadow. So gesture navigation is activated. It is working fine. So when you swipe like this, it goes back, and when you swipe from bottom, it goes to the home screen. And there's some smart updates and stuff. I don't think anyone would do it. So as you can see, the gestures are working pretty good. And if you want to disable and use the 3 navigation, you can do it as well, just by going back to 3 button navigation. So that's it for this video. Hope it helped you. Thank you.